Hey, Anne. Fancy seeing you here.
David, hi. What a surprise. Small world, isn't it?
It really is. I was just grabbing a coffee before heading back to the office. How about you?
Same here. I needed a little caffeine boost to get through the afternoon. It's been a long day.
I know that feeling. Is work busy for you at the moment?
Unbelievably busy. We have that big project deadline coming up, so it's all hands on deck.
Ah, yes, the Q3 report. I've been hearing about it. You're handling it well, I'm sure.
I'm trying, but honestly, I can't wait for the weekend to just relax and switch off my brain.
Me too. I've been looking forward to Friday since Monday morning.
That's the spirit. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Actually, that's something I wanted to talk to you about.
Oh, sounds mysterious.
No, not at all. It's just, I was wondering, and please feel free to say no, of course.
David, you can just ask. It's okay.
Right, sorry. I was wondering if you might be free to hang out sometime. Outside of work, I mean.
I'd like that. What did you have in mind?
Well, I was thinking we could maybe grab a bite to eat, or see a movie, or just get coffee, but we're already doing that now, so.
I'm open to suggestions. I do love food, though. Dinner sounds nice.
Great! Dinner it is. Are you free this weekend? Maybe Saturday evening?
Saturday works perfectly for me. I'm completely free after 6 p.m.
Awesome. Is there any type of food you're in the mood for? Italian, Mexican, Thai?
Ooh, that's a tough choice. I'm always in the mood for Italian mo. You can never go wrong with pasta.
I completely agree. There's a fantastic little Italian place downtown called La Trattoria. Have you heard of it?
I think so. Is that the one on Elm Street with the cozy outdoor patio?
That's the one. Their carbonara is supposed to be the best in the city.
You've sold me. La Trattoria it is. What time are you thinking?
How does 7:30 p.m. sound? That gives us plenty of time to chat and enjoy the meal without rushing.
7:30 p.m. on Saturday is perfect. I'll put it in my calendar right now.
Me too. Okay, it's official.
So, what about a movie? You mentioned that too.
I did. I was thinking that could be another option, or maybe something for another time. There's that new sci-fi action movie out, Galaxy Runners. It looks amazing.
No way! I've been dying to see that. The trailer looked incredible.
Right? I'm a big fan of the director. His last film was brilliant.
Okay, we definitely have to see that at some point.
Well, what if we made a whole evening of it? We could see the movie first and then go for dinner.
A movie and dinner? I like that idea even more. It feels like a proper night out.
Fantastic. Let me check the show times for Galaxy Runners at the downtown cinema.
Okay, let me know.
Okay, there's a showing at 5:15 p.m. If we went to that one, it would finish right around 7:15 p.m., which is perfect timing to walk over to the restaurant.
That sounds like a great plan. The cinema is only a few blocks from the restaurant, right?
Exactly. A nice little walk. So is that a plan? 5:15 p.m. at the Grand Cinema for the movie, and then dinner at La Trattoria around 7:30?
It's a date. I'm really looking forward to it, David.
Me too, Anne. I'm glad I asked.
I'm glad you did too. It'll be nice to hang out and not talk about project deadlines.
I promise I will not mention the Q3 report even once.
It's a deal. So, should we just meet at the cinema on Saturday?
Yeah, let's meet there. Maybe around 5 p.m. in the lobby. That gives us time to get tickets and snacks.
You can't see a movie without popcorn. It's a rule.
A very important rule. I'll get the popcorn if you get the drinks.
You've got yourself a deal.
Perfect. Well, I should probably get this coffee back to my desk before it gets cold.
Me too. Thanks for the coffee break chat. And thanks for the invitation. It made my day.
Of course. I'm really excited for Saturday.
Me as well. Have a great rest of the afternoon.
You too, Anne. I'll see you on Saturday.
See you then. Bye, David.
Bye.